I just did a video on cleaning this tub. I used lemon, I used baking soda, I used Comet, and what other stuff did I use? Barkeeper's Friend, and bleach, and seal lime away. So this time, and this is my final test on this, I'm going to test out using some Lysol Advanced Toilet Bowl Cleaner, which would be very good for this, I believe. Now, I do want to say, all those chemicals that I mentioned, never mix those together, and make sure you drain the tub of all of the chemical before you try anything else. This is, mixing chemicals is very dangerous, so I'm just going to try this in a small area to see what we get. Lighting's really bad. Toilet bowl cleaner can be really good on a bathtub. It could also possibly damage it. I would not leave this on for a long time. I would not leave this in the drain for a long time. I would not mix this with other chemicals. And you might want to test it out in a little area to see if it works. I would not use this on a Formica, not a Formica, a fiberglass tub. They say, I believe, that it's safe to use on a fiberglass. If you're going to do it, be really careful. Just going to put this in a small area. We're going to test this out, see if it works. Try to zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom on in. Okay, if this video helps, please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, click on the notification. You know, all that cool stuff. Affiliate links in the video description, donation links. Is this going to do anything? I know for the toilet, they want you to let this soak for like 2 minutes or something. I don't really know that I want this to soak. I see absolutely nothing coming off. But it really makes a difference when you do let this stuff soak. So let's let it soak. Let's see what happens. We getting all of that on the video? I think we are. Let's zoom out just a little bit. That way I will know for sure, does this work or doesn't it? Because I'm only going to cover a small area. Over here it's stained, but it's not stained as bad as it is in this other section. Make sure you've got good ventilation, which I'm going to do now. I think it's working. Maybe not. maybe yes. I don't know. I think it might be making a little bit of a difference, but I'm not 100% sure because the stains are still there and they don't appear to be coming up. They appear to be lighter, but the whole tub just looks damaged. As I scrub, I don't seem to see anything showing up as full white. So I don't think this works. Maybe if you soak this for a couple hours, but I think you'd also do, no, it's definitely doing something. There's no doubt something is happening. But this is no miracle cure to clean this tub. I don't know if this is rust or iron. Maybe hydrogen peroxide would work. But this has been soaking for how long? 20, 21, 22, 23. For 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and the stain is still there. And I would have to look at the video before and after. But I really don't see that it's made much progress. Maybe it has. Maybe you can see that in the video that I don't. That I don't see right now. But yeah, this is not working the way I had hoped. If this was a good chemical reaction, we would see a huge improvement right away. See, I'm just scrubbing back and forth and nothing seems, maybe it is getting whiter, I don't know. But this is a pretty strong chemical and nothing's coming off. Okay, people, that's it. You saw the result of using Lysol toilet bowl cleaner on this bathtub. It did not remove this brownish stain. I don't, again, think this is a rust stain. It might be. This is from a dirty plastic shower mat that obviously this is iron or something in the water that caused this, but even the rest of the tub, it's just, there's no improvement.